And it's October. Property taxes are due, but some of you won't have to pay next year if you take care of something right now. Talking more about that exemption is for people over 65 is Stuart Welch from the Welch Group to explain the stipulations with that this morning. Good to see you.
Good morning.
And I just want to clarify, this is not the Jefferson County property tax exemption for people 65 and older. This is something that is statewide, and depending on how you qualify for this, right?
Yeah, it is. So you're 65 years old, or either you're permanently disabled or blind, you qualify for this. And it is a statewide exemption for the state of Alabama portion of your property tax. So you might still have to pay county tax and other taxes, but that's just for this. And it
and you would still apply through your county tax.
Yeah, so I think it's how do I do it? I would apply through the county. The period to apply is October the 1st through December the 31st. And I think unfortunately it's not for this year. You go in and make that application and it will be for next year. So you may have already missed it. I had a case where a lady called in. She said, my mother-in-law is 87. Does she qualify? I said, she's missed it for 22 years. It's like thousands of dollars. So it can be, hundreds of dollars, in some cases thousands of dollars. Really important to jump on it.
Now, I know in the Jefferson County stipulation is you has to be your primary residence for at least 5 years if you're 65 or older. What about the state? Do they have any of those type stipulations?
Yeah, so you don't have to have been there for 5 years. It does have to be your residence. But it's there, so you've got the opportunity to do that. You do have to have an annual acknowledgement that you still own the home. And so that's usually done through a postcard, but I would say if you don't remember if you've done that, you probably need to call your county tax assessor and just be sure that you're on the record for this calendar year, assuming that you've done it in the past.
And again, so this is something that you would not need to contact the state about. You just need to make sure you contact your county court, county tax assessor.
That's exactly right. You do it through your county.
All right. Well, don't miss out on that. That's a huge exemption for you there for property taxes, no doubt. So if you're 65 and older, like you said, disabled, then you would qualify for that. And there's the information right there. So take advantage of that if you can. Stuart Welch from the Welch Group. Always some good information. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Mike.
All right. Still ahead now. We got some breaking traffic news. Melanie Posey will update you on that in just a bit.
My name's Al Fazalahi. Had a terrible